Hi guys, today's video is about sizing your nails. Here are the timestamps and let's get started. For the sizing kit, it's very simple. Just pick up the nail tips and see which ones fit your natural nails, and make sure that you write down the number that's under the nail tip that corresponds with the finger that it fits. So some people have different size nail beds on their hands. So for example, on their left hand, their pinky might be bigger than their right hand pinky nail. So for those people who have this, please make sure that you measure both of your hands. If your sizes don't match up with the standard sizes, select custom and go down to the personalization box and type in your sizes there. With the sizing kits, you get to see how the shape looks on your hands and if the length is the length that you want. So please make sure that during this stage, if you bought a sizing kit, that you make sure that this is the shape and length that you want. Here is a chart with all the standard sizes for reference. If you are measuring yourself, you will need tape, a marker, a measuring tape or ruler, and paper to write down your sizes on. Place the tape on your nail and smooth it out evenly. Then outline the sides of your nail bed. Take the tape off your finger and place it onto the measuring tape or ruler. And then write down how many centimeters your nail is on the sheet of paper. Go to the sizing guide and find out which number corresponds with your measurements. So my thumb would be considered a size 4, so I took off the size 4 to show you whether it fits or not, and it does. Well, this concludes the video. Comment down any questions that you may have, and don't forget to like and subscribe.